Okay, this one manual control for SPRM. Okay, for the manual control 7 and 9 you need to short. This one manual. And then for the run 8 and 9 must short lah. This terminal. Okay, this connection for auto. So auto you need to off, means disconnect. So for the manual on means 7 and 8 must short, 7 and 9. And then for run means 8 and 9 must short lah. And for stop disconnect 8 and 9. So for the connection we use line A, live. So live is connect to T line 3, and then the load is connect to neutral line. So L1 and L2 and L3 is short together for the feedback control. Okay, this one we apply the manual control. Okay, press mode 3 seconds, so you will enter the operation setting. So you can set the 3-phase setting if you use a 3-phase heater. Okay, on. You can select star or delta. Okay, star or delta by using a 3-phase. Okay, if you in my case now I use a single phase, so we just go to the single phase. Okay, line 3. This one is auto control, so we need to use what is input. Okay, now we go to the setting for the line phase. Okay, line 1 off. Okay, line 2 off, and then we on line 3 only. Okay, and then next we check the setting for okay, this one input for line 3 you can set 4 to 20 milliamp input, 1 to 5 volt, 0 to 5 volt, 0 to 10 volt, RS485, use Modbus, and then EXTDS, and then none lah, select none. Okay, now we check our connection. Is it a manual connection? Just press A. Okay, this one is a manual lah, line 3. This one indicate that heater break.
We use for line 3 only, line 3 for single phase. Now this one is our setup for load. Okay, so this one you can see here, this one you can see here, this one the percentage, so ampere for line 1, line 2, line 3. So you can see now we use for the line 3. Alright. Okay, now we on the load and we run all the load. Okay, so look at the ampere, 2.3.0 ampere. Only for the line 3. You just focus on the line 3. Okay. Alright. Now we want to set as a heater break. Heater break. Okay. For the heater break. Okay. Heater break to on, activate. So for this model is spec 55M plus 10% is 60.5M. Okay, max. Okay, so you need to go to heater break, you need to enable on, and then they have a two parameter, limit current. So limit current is 1% until 110%. That's why default is 55 amp plus 10%, 60.5 amp. Okay, that's why the state in the manual is 110%. So next step is limit output is 1 until 100%. Okay. Okay, now how to go to the parameter. I want to go to heater brake alarm setup. First, press M and A together. M and A. So we go to parameter. Heater brake alarm. Okay. You need to on. Press A. Alright. So now enable. Press A. Limit current.
Okay.
Okay, now how to set. Now we go with enable the heater brake for the line 3 and limit current. So this one 60.5 is default. So now we want to set. Okay, now we have set, and now we go at the display heater brake. So we have load lah. So now we look at line 3 1 point. Heater brake is pop up. Line 3 1.9 amp. Heater brake is pop up. Okay, why is do like this? Because it not completely lost your heater lah. So it will have the output. Okay, so it trigger due to load below 60 amp. Okay, it will trigger heater brake alarm. Okay. Now we go to ampere. We want to set 1.0 ampere. We go to this step. Limit C. Heater brake line 3. So it's default is 60.5. So now we change 1.0 amp for the line 3. Heater brake alarm is energized or trigger. Okay, now we put the load. So load is running, full load. Okay, alright, now we have a load. Okay, we have the load. Okay, look at the M 1.3, 1.2. Okay, so it not trigger. Okay, so next they have a phase control. Alright, phase control, but it not trigger heater brake alarm. Only the phase control output. Okay, looks phase control for the heater to give the heater warm up. Okay, so according this we set 1.0 ampere. It will not trigger heater brake alarm. So bottom there is a phase control output of the heater lah. This one the graph right. Let's say we no load, no amp on the heater, no power or amp. So lower than 1.0, no load mean no ampere, it will prompt heater brake alarm.